Yeah, I literally can't even fucking fit this thing on camera. This thing is huge. Holy crap. We're going to paint outside, but it's way too friggin' hot. So we'll be waiting until the end of the day so that the shadow is over the booth. Then you're playing the game of running out of light. In here, it's a lot cooler. The temperatures are a bit better controlled. We've still got some light up in here. Open that door more, get some more light in from there. Oh, but we had to clear out a bunch of space because we got our tape measure, and this booth is going to be huge. So we'll finish sweeping this area and show you more on the booth. Box number one. Box number two. These are the two fans. One inflates the booth, the other circulates air through the booth. There is a fourth box, but I already unboxed that one because I built it. It's like an elephant trunk, they call it. System that goes on the outside to pull air out to get your overspray out of the booth. This thing from Sewinfla, it is literally like the Rolls Royce of inflatable spray booths, or like the Taj Mahal of inflatable spray booths. This thing is insane. Yeah, I literally can't even fucking fit this thing on camera. This thing is huge. Holy crap. Yeah. Ooh, it's so cool in here. So I think this is what they call, like, this is like the mixing room. They literally have a room in here for mixing your paint and stuff. This is crazy. Oh, so I missed pushing the car in, but we wanted to make sure it was big enough to open the doors. I think it's big enough to put another car in here and then still open the doors and then stack a car on top of it. This is insane. Damn, boy. All right, let's get painting. You guys, wait for the next video. Next video, we'll go through everything. Go through painting it, go through putting in the drift knuckles, probably doing the diff gears, doing everything. And it'll start with the reveal of the new look. So the next video should be crazy.